Hello everyone, I am Ella. Let's look at some informal alternatives for good morning. Let's get started. Now we will learn 6 different ways to say good morning. Number 1, it's tomorrow. Number 2, happy plus day of a week. Happy Monday. Happy Saturday. Number 3, rise and shine. Rise and shine, babe. Number 4, wakey, wakey. And this one mostly used for children. Number 5, wakey, wakey, sleepyhead. And number 6, wakey, wakey, eggs and bakey. Now it's your turn. Put in comment which one do you like more and would like to use it in your daily conversation. See you later.